Sugar cane. Tonight, sugar don't bite. I'm sorry, my dear, but you are up for elimination.
Michelle Visage today.
Oh, well, you know you're supposed to be portraying a woman.
Oh, yes, I know. This is going to be a little difficult for me, but...
Take off my makeup with me, snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower.
Come take off this look with me. I'm wearing contacts, which I do all the time, but I'm not a huge fan of it because they dry out my eyes, and also they're really hard to take out because I have literal claws. It's like a gamble every time. Am I gonna stab myself in the eye? Most likely, yes. Oh, there it goes. Doesn't usually go that well. Sometimes, oh, it needs a little help. Oh, cute. Okay, goodbye wig. Oh, no, I said goodbye. I also have 2 cleansing balms that I usually alternate, but I thought this was a perfect moment to check which one works better. Okay, the right side is gonna be the Inky List. You know, I started comparing them, but I don't even know what the criteria is that I'm looking for here. It's working. Okay, and then my left side is gonna be Juno and Co. I'm trying to not cross-contaminate them. Okay, I've been massaging both sides for a minute. Let's test. Okay, let's start with the Inky List. Beautiful. Amazing. Okay, using a clean side, let's do Juno and Co. Also amazing. Well, that was a pointless experiment. I'm kind of confused why the paint is not coming out of my mouth. Oh, okay. It's getting there. Honestly, I'm happy my skin is not stained, but I'm gonna go take the rest of this off in the shower and then go and eat dinner. Boom.
I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like...
me from posting good ASMR. Anyways, let's take her off. Only one way to go. Oh my god. I ruined my lashes for this. It was all worth it though. Gotta take the rest of this off and it better not stain my face. I took a shower and my skin isn't stained. I am cold though. If you're curious about what products I use, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. Have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is Virgo for the zodiac signs gone bad. This one really has to be one of my favorites so far. Look at that. I really don't want to take her off. You know what they say, all good things must come to an end, and she's in my hair. Let's just start from the bottom. No physical pain, just emotional. Oh my god. I broke a flower. Literally. How does that happen? Did she get in my eyebrow? No, she didn't. Please don't rip my hair out. I think we're safe. Damn. I know this glitter will stay with me for months. Face so clean. Have a great day, you guys.
What's up, squad? I am not looking gat right now. Not at all. And that is because I am wiping on my makeup. Well, not actually wiping on my makeup, but wiping off my makeup in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup, that would be lit. That would be so slay and so period. This mummy look is from the finale of my 3-part long form series. So if you guys haven't seen all those parts, please go check them out because I worked really hard on them and I think they turned out good. And like this video maybe, share this video, click the link to go watch the long forms. Bye!
Into my love, so I really want it to be quite lively and playful and fun because that's exactly exactly why I listen to that one. Whenever I feel down, I always listen to that song.
Repeat. Clear down. Left, right, left, right, left. Awesome. Cool. Next up.
I will never understand why you guys blow up the videos of me taking off my makeup in reverse. Like, I don't even know why I bother making videos of me putting on the makeup at this point. Honestly, I should just put it on, leave it there for 2 seconds, and then wipe it off and throw it in reverse.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you know it. It is time to take this off again. I am not mad at how this turned out, but it's gotta go. I'm gonna take this off of my ear. Only smart decisions here. I already know the neck is gonna hurt, so I'm gonna do that first. All right, 3, 2, 1. I'm screaming on the inside. No pain, no feel. No, that's my neck. Beautiful. I don't need a crown for people to know I'm a queen, but that hurts. Ow. Maybe I don't need to take the crown off. You know what? No, we're doing it. We're doing it. Ah! Okay, just kidding. That wasn't too bad. That is because all of the latex is still on my forehead. There you go. Now that's in my hair, but we don't need hair anyways. Okay, the hardest part's done. Now this. As scary as I may look right now, I like this shade of green. It's kind of cute.
I'm gonna be taking off my makeup using whipped cream. I did the zombie look using a full face of NYX Cosmetics. Every product that I used is shoppable through Walmart.com and the link on my TikTok profile. Just hit the shopping bag icon and all the products will be there. And now, for the whipped cream. If you guys are wondering, wow Sid, why are you taking off your makeup with whipped cream? During the live, you guys picked dares for the loser to do, and unfortunately, I had to spin the wheel, and this is what I gotta do. Yummy! Let's get some straight from the bottle. Oh, right there. This feels wrong. But does whipped cream work as a cleanser? Get the neck. Tell me why that's kind of working. Whipped cream is not a good cleanser, but NYX Cosmetics is a good makeup line, so go check them out.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's time to take this monstrosity off of my face. I can't wait. There's just so much going on here, I don't even know where to start. I want to take this massive snowflake off of my face. Ow! It only got a little bit of my hair, it's fine. Let's do a smile. Ah! That didn't hurt at all. Let's do the horn. Ooh. My neck is still covered with latex and I have no idea how to take it off. It's like in patches too. I can't even see it. Ah. Help. It's literally just pulling my neck off. I give up. Hopefully it comes off in the shower. Forgot that little piece there. It came off. Woo! Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. This is Taurus, and she got her horns ripped off. Ah, snatch the weave. As much as I like this, it needs to go. This baby one too. And now for the latex. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. I'm really bad at this. I swear, every time I wear a black wig, it makes me want to dye my hair black. Ooh, almost forgot the falsies. Boop.
Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah! Part of it. Oh my god, that hurts so bad! I used some Spirit Gum Remover. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? The Target logo got cut into my face, oh no. Psych, it's makeup. I don't know, it's too late. I wanna go eat and sleep. Let's take this off. You ever wonder what my makeup looks like from far away? Like, This is what my mom sees. This is how I walk around the house. I use scar wax and I absolutely hate it. Put liquid latex under it, so it's coming off relatively easy. Oh no, oh no. Look at this piece of hair. Okay, let's do this big circle. Oh, please come off in one piece, please, please, please. No, come on, come on. Isn't that terrifying? I'm just gonna go shower. I'll clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I can't really breathe, see, or touch anything with my hands now. You know what they say, beauty is pain, except this is not beauty, so just pain? I am really happy with how this turned out, but I gotta take it off because I want to go shower. Let's start with the eyes. Oh, that feels so nice. I can bend my hands now. I tried washing it off, but it didn't help. Also, I'm sorry if I might be whispering. It's because it's midnight and everyone's asleep. It's not like I'll be able to fall asleep later anyways. And something tells me that neither will you. Anyways, let's take this off. Should I just go for the eye hole? Oh, it's really on my face. Ow, okay, wait. I do this literally every day. Come on, Valeria. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I guess that's one way to do it. The bold cap. Oh, my hair's covered in foundation. I'ma go shower. Oh, 1 second. Anyways, as I was saying, guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This was a lot of fun to do, but it's gotta go. If I just pull the zipper, will it rip off? Ah, nice. Now it's time for the rest of this to go. More nightmare fuel just for you. I think I got most of the paint off. There's a little bit in my hair, but I'm gonna shower anyways. But you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the third part to my Zodiac series, and this is Aquarius. I was going for a bit of that drowned mermaid look with all the barnacles on my face. Hope you like it. But I can't stay on my face for that long, so we gotta take it off. Bye-bye, barnacle boy. Ooh. Damn, my skin is red. Ooh. Who's this? Not me. Ooh. Bye-bye. Like that. The saddest part is always taking the lashes off, though. No more contacts. Gotta clean my face. My eyes are stained blue. Oh well, let's take the hair out. Wow, my hair is not purple anymore. Just kidding, it's purple. And that's it. And as always, I will post the tutorial and all the products I used on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys. Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. I can't talk very loud right now, if you didn't know. Yeah. Let's pull these teeth out. Yeah. I don't even know how to start. Oh, like that, I guess. And that's it. Bruh, that's terrifying. Bye-bye. Good day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Oh! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching.
Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day.
Get unready with me, Ice Miser, Heat Miser edition. First, I gotta get rid of these contacts. Now I'm taking off the lashes. I painted this one white myself because I didn't know if you're supposed to buy them white or if you can paint them, so I just painted it. I don't exactly know how the best way to do this is, so I'm just gonna go in. I'm literally gray. Why? Why is this happening to me? I don't know how I'm gonna get this paint off my ears, and I put literally acrylic paint in my hair. I don't think that's safe. If this isn't commitment to good quality, I don't know what is. 1 like equals 1 prayer. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching.